Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to transfer your crypto from Coinbase to your Ledger Flex wallet. If you're all about keeping your digital assets secure in 2025, this is a must-know process. Ledger Flex offers top-notch hardware security, so moving your coins here is a smart move to protect against hacks and exchanges going south. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Coinbase account set up and your Ledger Flex device ready. Start by opening the Coinbase app or website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Portfolio section and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, grab your Ledger Flex. Connect it to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. This is where the magic happens. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts tab and select the wallet you want to receive the crypto. Copy the wallet address. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, head back to Coinbase. Click on the Send or Withdraw button for your chosen crypto. Paste the Ledger Flex wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the network fees. Coinbase usually supports networks like Ethereum or Bitcoin, so match them up correctly. Before you hit confirm, take a deep breath, verify everything one last time. Once you're good, click send, and Coinbase will process the transaction. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live app to see the funds arrive. Congrats, you've just secured your crypto. Remember, always double-check addresses and keep your devices safe from phishing. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching. Stay secure out there.